Drowning in contracts? Let's turn that chaos into clarity. Healthcare systems juggle between 5,000 to 50,000 contracts, often stored in scattered formats like PDFs, Word docs, and Excel sheets. This mess leads to missed rebates, pricing errors, and hefty penalties. Studies show 71% of companies can't locate 10% of their contracts, wasting up to $3.5 million annually. Employees spend 30% of their time on contract-related tasks, drowning in paperwork and manual processes. Enter SupplyCopia's AI-powered contract management system, your new best friend in contract management. With 𝗧𝒌, leverage AI-driven insights for faster decision-making. Our 𝗧𝒌𝗄𝗃 smart agent delivers instant answers from contract data. Key features include automated contract review, real-time pricing integration, proactive alerts for renewals, and a centralized repository for all your documents. Never miss a deadline again with automated notifications. Identify rebate opportunities and pricing concessions without lifting a finger. Experience seamless integration with your order management and inventory systems, reducing financial risks and ensuring compliance across all agreements. Don't take our word for it. Hear it from our satisfied customers who've drastically cut costs and saved time. Ready to transform your contract management? Visit SupplyCopia.com to learn more or request a demo today. Remember, with SupplyCopia, it's not just about managing contracts. It's about making smarter business decisions. SupplyCopia Contracts Simplified, Decisions Amplified. Bring your contracts and test the B.